Cat Village in Sapa. We just paid 300 Vietnamese dong. Village here at Sapa, Vietnam. Hello. Oh no, thank you. That's cool though, like a kazoo. So yeah, so you know everyone's trying to sell some stuff, but I think as you guys know about now, we are backpacking and we don't got a room. I can't even put a kazoo in there. I'm going to so you can check out the stairs, pretty rough. So guys, if you're not if disabled in any way, this is not the place. Don't come down here. So you're going to waste a lot of money. You'll never get down here and back up again.
Hello, Missy.
She's having the same kazoo. Anyway, check out the treehouse. 10,000 Vietnamese dong, which is about 50 cents to go do that. Might do it, but right now we're trying. We got here a little late, so we're trying to get down to some of the scenic overlooks first, and we might check that stuff out on the way back up if we have time. So this is just one giant tourist trap, but it is something to do up here, and the views are spectacular. I think you can already start to see this fog. We just got so lucky. We just literally came out of the fog a few minutes ago. Just literally. So before we go that way, let's go that way. So we're gonna go to the overlook viewpoint first before we go down to the next one. Anybody behind me? No. Downwards. I mean, it's not bad, but if you have any kind of issues, it would be bad. No more. Keep it in. Keep it in. Keep it together. I can't go any slower, I'll fall. Natural canopy here from the roots from the trees that have come over. That's pretty cool. You want to see this view over here? Let's go see this view over here. Drag her along. Ah. Do what you want. I ain't picking you up when you fall over though. Oh, yeah, look at this, guys. In here, we're looking for some kind of a waterfall. No idea. There's just signs that waterfall this way, so that's what we're doing. And we're gonna, if the internet is right, usually is not, we may be able to find a way back up here where we don't have to take the stairs. We'll pay for a car, but usually the internet is wrong, so I'm not counting on that. This is a good one. Very colorful here. I've never read anywhere about steps. Hello. No, thank you. Bye-bye. Yeah, I just thought it was a village. Maybe it is. Maybe it's a different village that we don't know about. There's supposed to be waterfalls and suspension bridges and regular bridges and... Look, I found the sacred forest. Nice. Oh, and look, they're all dressed up. Ah, that's cool. Alright, so we have a water wheel. Oh, 50 meters to the waterfall. Well, damn it, let's go there first. Then we'll come back and see the sacred forest. I hear it. I think I hear it, and the sign says 40 meters. And look at the, these are rental dresses. They got the entire family, including the children, dressed up here. This is really nice. We are still descending, and I don't know, this camera sometimes hides how steep things are, but you might get the idea. We've been going down for 20 straight minutes, it seems like.
Oh boy.
But I can see the bridge, I can see the water, I can see horses that you can pay to sit on and take pictures of, and I guess you can go back to that restaurant we were at and have some to eat as well. Anyway, point of this little segment is, if you have any sort of disability or whatever, you do not even think about attempting this one. For the bridges, the waterfall, which you can't quite get from here, but you can hear it. It's right around the corner to my left. We'll be down there in a few minutes. There's a few more stairs if you want to go up to other places. I don't think she's going to do that. It's an ancient hydroelectric plant. Nice house. Okay, so there's a series of bridges here, but I'm going to show you the waterfall now. And there it is. Oh, look at this picture in this camera, Leslie. Oh my God, what a shot. What a shot. This is actually a good one for us too. Oh, look what's in front of me. I didn't even turn around, guys. Hang on. So that would be the ancient hydroelectric plant. This kind of looks straight ahead. Turn your head, kind of look towards the horses. Catch everything. I know it's just water. Right now, we're also catching us, and they're still catching us. So, I'll turn down the boat. Top of everybody. Waterfall. Look at this, guys. Quite nice. Someone told us there was a taxi this way, so we're gonna go look for it. Well, found another interesting area. See the rocks going across, and then up into I don't know where. They go that way. As the rumors are true, 10,000 Vietnamese dong per person, and you can have an electric car ride out of here. And that is exactly what we're doing. Look at that's a roller coaster down there. You hear that screaming. Those are tea terraces over there in the distance. I think you could have walked this, wasn't it? Yeah, no problem. No, 3 or 4 days.